Well, this is a test of my new green screen. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to try to put video on both sides of me. I'm just experimenting. I don't do repairs, or I mean, I have to repair them sometimes, but generally I just want to play with them and video them. But today I wanted to try to put these rims on. I did it once before. These are some split rims. I'm going to change these. These are nice tires too, but I was thinking something maybe a little more fancier. These are fancier. So I'm going to try to put those on this vehicle. First though, I think what I'll do is I'll just set this on the side and open up one package at a time. And this is the name of it. I don't know what that is. And then this is the tires over here. So we're going to try to put these together. The first time I did it was at the hobby shop. Somebody showed me, and then I tried at home, but I didn't know what I was doing, and I wasn't sure what I was doing. But these are sticky. Can stick to the side of the vehicle. Okay. Sometimes it looks simple. Not when I do it. I always got to put them on the wrong way and then try to figure it out later. Okay, that's just a holder. I don't think we need that stuff. First of all, let's find the right screwdriver for this. They're so tiny. This looks like a socket. You'd think they'd give you the tool. Don't know what that kind of thing is. Too bad I can't do like those other guys on TV. They just like take and slam it on the table and it's all finished. It never works for me. I tried it. Now we got to figure out how to take this apart. Oops. Too small. Too big. Too small. And finally, just right. Maybe these are for something else. Oh yeah, maybe the outside. I don't need to worry about that because I'm not missing any. That goes on tight. Okay, last one. This is a two-wheel drive, so it doesn't have any steering. A little bit too small, this wrench, for me. Oops. This has lights on it too, which is cool. It has some pretty cool looking tires too. If I can get the body kit back on again. Don't know why it's really funny for me. There we go. Let's see, what color clips should we use? I brought my RC Box Club bag and my clips. Let's see, what color would look good? Green. I got a lot of green, it seems like. Too big. I need to get smaller clips. Okay, the purple looks cool. Two more purple. Oh yeah, purple looks okay. With the brown. Okay. Never know when you need a clip. So I got a lot with my tool bag. And I guess that's it. There's my new fancy tires on my trophy rat. Now we'll just have to find a place to go run it. Kind of rock crawling tires maybe, but this is a pretty cool looking RC. And a video. Thank you for watching.